Investing in startups is a long-term strategy. Many investors wonder when to sell their tokens or if they should hold them longer. Startups go through different stages: ideation, operation, traction, scale, and liquidity. Token value often grows with these stages, but risks remain. Consider holding your tokens if the startup is experiencing growth, reaching milestones, you believe in its mission, or liquidity is promising. Consider selling your tokens if the startup faces challenges, is stagnant, you want profits, or if a sale option is available. Monitor the best moment by following startup updates, analyzing founder communications, and staying alert to industry news. There's no universal answer for selling or holding tokens. Understand your investments and act based on data and strategy. Access your portfolio on iSelfToken to track your token's performance. iSelfToken.com